What's up, everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to create and share a private story on Snapchat. Snapchat stories are a great way to share moments with friends and family. However, if you have a more personal story you want to share on the social media platform with only a few people, Snapchat makes it possible to do that using the private story feature. People who have access to your private Snapchat stories will be aware that they are viewing private content, but they will not know who else has access to that content. Additionally, private Snapchat stories are only available for 24 hours like a regular Snapchat story, and no special notifications will be sent to users, making them aware they have access to a private story. Now let's walk through the steps to create and share a private story on Snapchat. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Snapchat home screen. Step 2. Tap your Snapchat profile icon at the top of the screen. You'll land on your Snapchat account screen. Step 3. Navigate down to the My Stories section and then tap New Story. A Pick Your Story Type window pops up. Step 4. Tap to select New Private Story. The new private story window is displayed, showing a list of your contacts. Step 5. Tap to place a checkmark next to who you want to be able to view your private Snapchat story. Again, as a reminder, your private Snapchat story will only be available for 24 hours, and the people who have access to it won't get any special notifications about having access to your private story. After selecting everyone you want to be able to view your private Snapchat story, tap Create Story. A window prompting you to give your private Snapchat story a name pops up. Step 6. Enter the name for your private Snapchat story and then tap Done. Your private Snapchat story is now available for those who have access to it. You can delete your private Snapchat story at any time by navigating back to your account screen and then the My Stories section, tapping the ellipses next to your private story to open a menu, and then tapping Delete Private Story. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.